students, welcome to Caliber Convent School e-Digital Learning channel. In today's video, we will study factors affecting working capital of corporate finance. The first point of factors affecting a working capital is nature of business. So students, the nature of business is manufacturing. Essential products of daily consumption would need relatively less working capital as they would be consent and sufficient cash flow to the firm. The second point we will see is the size of business. The size of business is also affects the requirement of working capital. A firm with large scale operations will require more working capital. Next point we will study about the volume of scales. Here students, there is most important factor affecting size of working capital. The value of the volume of sales and size of working capital are directly related with each other, or we can call it as vice versa. The next point we can conduct is production of cycle. Means the production cycle related to working capital or related to the raw material into finished goods is called as production cycle. If the period of production cycle is longer, then firm needs more amount of working capital. Afterwards, we will see the business cycle which is related to the working capital. This point is very effective, or we can call it will be very helpful in sale of the increasement. This will lead to the increasing in investment of stocks, etc. During recession, sale will decline and hence the need of working capital will also decline. The next point we can study is trend related to purchase and sales. So students, here we can see if the firm do not get credit facility for purchasing the best employment of credit facility, then it will be called as the trend which is related to the purchase and sales. Next point we will study is credit control. That how credit can control to the factors affecting of working capital. So students, credit control include the factors such as volume of credit sales and the term of credit sales to the collection policies, etc. If credit control process is there and in the sound of the following, it will be very helpful to the credit control facility. The next point we can study as the growth and expansion of the business. In growth and expansion of the business, the working capital requires to firm will increase the growth related to the company and in large scale production. The last point we can study is external factors which affect the working capital. External factors like financial institutions and banks which provide funds to the firm as were required, the need for the working capital which is reduced. So students, in this chapter we had studied in previous video factor affecting the fixed capital, and in this video we had studied the factor which affecting the working capital.